Welcome everyone. Welcome to another episode of Trading Manaka. Thanks for tuning in. Today we are fishing for market structure. Today the date is the 23rd of May. I see something good. I need to explain it to you guys. Hopefully you can join in with me with cashing in. Alright. So the pair we're looking at today is USDCHF. The US dollar versus the Swiss franc. I don't know if you guys can see much from here, but let's start. Yeah, let's start here. It's okay. Actually, let's start with the monthly time frame. Right. So what do we have here? It's the 23rd day of the month, and when we look at the monthly time frame, we see the predominant color of the markets is a sell. So what that indicates is that we should be looking to be selling USDCHF within the near future on a monthly time frame, which means this month, the month after that, and the following month. But now it will always come down to a point of how do you know where is the best entry point, right? So I have a couple of tactics I use personally. I'll just help explain. I'll explain what I would look at right now. So the first thing I'm gonna look at, I look at all these candlesticks, shapes, sizes, where they close, where they open, close, open. In a situation like now where the month had started, I didn't jump in, and then now I'm trying to find a good entry point. Here I would use the past chart. You see, like if you look here, the candles closed shape within a certain radius. Even this one down here, like when you see where it starts at, there's a certain line there. The same line consists there, and currently we are hovering around that line. So to me, when I look at it, I'll say, okay, market pushed down, and now it came back up to do a rally movement at the support level on top, which has been closing other monthly candles. So there is a bit of resistance in terms of why didn't it just turn around and shoot up, which it's trying to do right now. But market has been going up for a long time, actually, because look at that. How many weeks is that? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19, around 18 19 weeks market has been going up. A pullback is due at some point. So when I looked at daily time frame, check this out. I want you to notice this. Look at that. I want you to notice how market has been going on a steady rise. It comes up, it's rally base, rally base, rally base, rally base, rally base, rally. You know, it's been going up. But now here I see market went rally, then came down to do a base and went up. But then when it came back down, it was supposed to make a higher low. But then actually came down lower than the previous low, and now it's going back up. It's giving me an indication of a head and shoulders pattern is loading. So a change of trend is gearing up. But then actually forgot to say, okay, you know what, now let's measure here. Let's put a line at the gap there, and then we zoom in. Is that where it's going? Because I'm looking at daily time frame. Because when we look at the daily time frame, take it to line chart. Here's the higher okay, so as I was saying, on the daily time frame, we have market has been going up, and then it turns here about there. That's the last hit, and then came down, and then made a higher high, but then made a higher low. So this is the previous low. So it bridged down below the previous low and then went up, but now it's not like market went up down there up to here. It's actually turning a little around. Let's mark that level. A little around here. Let's just measure the last level there. Wait, let's actually go on a weekly time frame. Okay, the previous turning point. Okay, it's actually where we're talking about it's actually where we mark now. So market is acting like it has before in the past. It's at a turning point, because right now I'm noticing that market is in a support zone, because you see you have the two levels marked out there. And then if we pay a close attention, market is making a reversal pattern within a support level. To me, that's the best time to jump in. That's the absolute best time. I use line charts so I can pinpoint the points. I can see things much clearer, because here you see a lot of colors, you're not really sure what's going on, but it just helps me see a bit better. So what I take away from this is how much is it? We can so I'll open a position 1.5. Nothing heavy, nothing too heavy. Oh my god. Alright, so that's the entry for USDCHF. The other pair I want us to look at is AUDUSD. This pair I spoke of not so long ago. It made a bit of traction this month when market came down, made a higher high than the previous high. Because actually, if we just let's go put our incognito goggles, we'll see much better. Alright, so market came down, went up, made a lower low, and then broke out and made a higher high above the previous low, and then came back, but now it's turning more or less by the shoulder. It's not going below the previous low and turning around. We have a head and shoulders pattern that has formed up. It's going to chase the previous high here and then up to that one there. So currently it's just been a matter of finding the perfect timing to jump in, because my market has been going up, came down to make a higher low, then went back up, made a higher high, came back low, which I'm hoping now is showing signs that it's a higher low, and then now market will carry on going upwards, because when I look at candlesticks on, let's say, H4, market was coming down around this. When the day candle started, there was a hanging man candlestick, and then which is a sign for a reversal trend. And then the next 4 hour, look at what happened. Market shot up. Now this is the rally. This market went down to the base of the movement and should now carry on going up, because AUDUSD and USDCHF have some correlation. I'm testing the theory out, and we're just applying what we can. So on a bigger time frame, what we should be looking for with AUDUSD is buy positions. I think that line, the red line, is there because of the middle point of the monthly candles here. Could make the other one for down here. Right. and then we zoom in and say, okay, what has transpired? So price came down to that level we just drew now, and it has made a turnaround point there. So we'll test the buy level, buy pressure of the current trend, because it already came down. I should have actually woken up a bit earlier, but I'm a bit late, so I'm like, if it's going to be a buy for the day, it's still going to be a buy for the day, you know. So if you're planning to buy, just buy, wait it out. So the two trades are running now. We'll wait it out. There's a bit of resistance. I might add few positions later, but we'll see how it goes. Price is at the top end of. So right now I'm gonna look for the daily high. Let's say this candle here, the top end there. So price is actually almost at the high of the day. And then we notice that, okay, price came up. Here's the line there. Price came up, touched down, went down, and then now it's coming up. I don't know, it might break through, might not, but I'll add another position there. Just, you know, which might suggest that AUDUSD might also go down a little bit before going up again. So we might have to wait a little bit, but let's see where this might be. Let's look for the daily low. Daily low. Okay, I see pressure there, which is where it's almost currently at. 30 minutes, there's another gap there, so I'll make my entry around here. I don't know if money. How much money do I got? Okay. Alright, so I've reached my max leverage, and let's see how it goes. It's currently 8:39 in the morning. Let's see how markets look like by the end of the day. Alright, cool, thanks. So it's been a little bit. I wanted to actually record and show that the count is going through a little bit of a retest. Seems like price wants to come close this gap here. It shot up to the support level in between here, but as you guys can see, it's it's still, but otherwise we're going through the retest. Hopefully our entry points were solid. If they were, your account will survive the retest, even if you did enter a little aggressively. It was saying like 200 now, like maybe 250, minus 250. I missed it at the peak because I just switched on the phone now, but we'll still hold. And yeah, let's go, let's get it, let's see what happens. All right, so it's been a couple of hours, a few hours, not a lot, but traction has happened. We're on the right path. All the trades are blue. Market has moved into predicted favor. I just made a couple more entries just now, just before the liftoff finally happens, because here we're expecting pattern would go rally base, and then rally to create a higher high. There's a little support level here at sell buy candle setup here, so price is probably going to come up to here at some point, but it's actually gonna just go higher. But I'm just saying, before it goes down again, this might come up to here before it comes down, maybe down to the bottom of this support level here, and then it will carry on going up. That's the plan, that's the hope, that's the vision. You gotta walk by faith and not by sight sometimes, but yeah, so far so okay. And yeah, so that's how we're looking like on that side. And yeah, so at this point we're just gonna, I suppose, chill, wait, see how we look like after a couple of hours. And yeah, American market is gonna open around half past 3 in the afternoon here in South Africa. And yeah, Let's see how much we have by the end of the day, around 6-7 p.m. And yeah, right there. Alright, so as we can see, prices now just come up to the expected range here. The option to close is the cash out. However, we have our eyes set on long-term targets. So according to the way I look at things, I'm expecting price to come, it might delay, come down to like 0.663, around 350, 0.66350, around that level, and then bounce up and carry on going upwards. For now we hold. It has probably hit the peak for the current H4 candle. If you can look around here, it's at the top of the previous closing level, so there will be a bit of consolidation between where price is at currently and up to the top level there. So you measure those two. Well, you could say okay, the bottom is around there, but it could go lower, could. And yeah, as you guys can see, it's between these two current spaces here, so right over here. But because you see down there, that level, the price might come down to here. Price might go down to there before continuing to go up. That is another possibility, because price, we established prices there, so we can say okay, stop loss will be around there. Stop loss for all trades would be just slightly below the range, if you get what I'm saying. But yes, and so forth. The same will be done for the other side. It probably has hit its peak as well. It's slightly up below, which is here for H4, so the price will probably hover there for a bit until the next 4H candle opens up. I'm not entirely sure what time that would be, but yeah, it might just sit there until the next candle opens up, and then a continuation could happen from there moving forward. So we just gotta keep waiting. In terms of what is our TP? Let's address that quickly, actually. Let's address that since we're waiting, so everybody understands where the end goal is. Let's start off with the monthly time frame. Monthly time frame, as the video started, current sell candle, current monthly candle suggests that throughout the rest of the month, price will be going downwards. What I could say is a target for this month. We'll see next month, because in 7 days it's not much, but target is probably gonna be that level there. You see how that candle closed? This one closed just around that line, and if you look around this side, there's a level that these two also close around that level. So perhaps I could say, okay, let's take note of both, since they're not at the same precise point. So we take those two and we say, okay, zoom in, and then we see, okay, sharp, there's the target. So what this means is between today and tomorrow, we should expect price to come down to this level here. We should expect price to come down to here. And then after it gets to here, we shouldn't expect it to carry on going down for the week. if we're looking for it to carry on going further downwards, we should look for positions sometime next week, maybe Monday or when markets open. I don't know. There'll probably be a little pullback. There'll probably be a pullback of somewhat before market carries on going in the trend. But that's the target. Once price hits there, I'm most probably going to close my sell positions and open up buy positions. However, the long term, I could hold. It just might take some time, but I could hold. The option to hold is there. That's this week's target, then there's next week, and then next month. From just general observation, our next target would be here, because there's a little support level here between buy, sell, buy. That's the next support, because if we look at the previous one was here, was around this point here, but price already came down and touched this level here. Let me show you. See, like there. Yeah, price came down to that level. I was just measuring this indecision candle here, so the entire size. There's sell, buy, support. This support range is within that overall range. So as we see, price came down, bounced up. First time came down again, bounced up again, went up to complete the head and shoulders pattern. So now when market comes down, we're not expecting this level to push it upwards anymore. We should be chasing after the next level we see, and the next level I see on daytime frame is around here. All right, so yeah, man, market's moving. Predicted movement happened, came down to that level there. Price came touch and then started going up, so it's pushing up now. Retest for the day should be done. Well, let's see. Let's see. Okay. Alright. So the buy goes all the way to 66500. That's probably going to be the high of the day. 66500, which is around there. Yeah, it's probably going to be the high of the day. Then from there, price might just hover there. Okay, so let's see. It's probably going to be between the tip there and down here. So 66530 is about 30 pips extra, so it's okay. So around that level is probably going to be the high of the day. I could be wrong. I could be wrong. But for now, that's how much profit we've managed to accumulate. All the trades are just moving accordingly right now, which is a good day. So yeah, so for now we just write it out, and yeah. All right. It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon now. It's been, I think we jumped in 8 or 9, so it's been a good couple of hours now. I'm looking at charts here. I think I might have reached the end for the day. Reason I say that on daily time frame, I don't know if you guys can see here, price is currently at a support level here, which closed this sell shape on a particular day here. So here, and if we look right out here, there's another one there, you know. So I'm actually see even a touch there, even that one there that was coming up turned around that level, so the support level we at currently. So for now, I'm actually thinking it's okay. I'm thinking of cashing out for now, and what I can do is just carry on tomorrow. At the end of the day, the account is grown, and yeah, so I think because a retest is bound to happen. Market has been rising for too many hours. Even same for this side, H4 time frame. We'll look and see. Maybe it's a day candle. Day time frame. I'm zooming up here. Well, the high is here, but if we look at the difference in price, currently the price is at 0.66420. The high of the day currently is at 0.66480, so 480,500 probably gonna go to 0.66500, and then hesitation should arise from there. Currently there's news on investing.com. When I look at the calendar, I see there's news at 2:30. Because of those news, there is a high probability that market may start to twitch, do the Harlem Shake, as some would say. We're heading to the high of the day at this point. I think that's TP. We're almost there. But I'm looking at the time. In 30 minutes there would be news. I don't necessarily want to be part of that group, because I've already made profit. I suspect market may shoot back downwards. That's what I'm suspecting, because it has already shot up a lot. H4 time frame, the high is gonna be up to here, and then market should probably start slowing down from there. So I would call this as a W. Yes, we're almost at that level where we're cashing out now. I just wonder if I'm going to open up sell positions or if I'm just going to leave it. That's what I just still need to figure out. But yeah, it's just about there now. We live to fight another day. That's all we want in this world of Forex. So yeah, man, that was introduction to how to analyze charts. And yeah, that's how it can be fruitful on a good day. Until next time, because even here, look here, that H4 candle there. H4 candle is closing at, the next one is going to be at 3 o'clock. What I could do is cash out now, hop out, let for news to make their news happen, and then pullbacks will most probably happen. I'm suspecting price might come up to here, because it's been dropping the whole day. Everybody's selling at this point, so that's the best time to make a reversal when everybody sees a sell, and then you know that the sell is just about done, as it's doing here. I see, look at the time, 2 o'clock. See that there, price came down, hit that point, and then stopped. Now it's looking like it's trying to go up. If we look on small time frame, you see touches now. It will fight, but hey man, I suppose I hit my target at this point. So yeah, and I'm out. Alright, until the next episode, I'll probably post a video tomorrow again. Thanks for watching this far. Cheers.